Understanding Tree Donations, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, tree donations. This topic is not only interesting but also incredibly relevant in today's environmentally conscious world. By the end of this video, you'll understand what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in. Tree donations refers to the act of giving trees, either in the form of seedlings or funds for planting trees, to support environmental efforts. It's a form of charitable giving focused on environmental sustainability. This phrase is commonly used in discussions about climate change, corporate social responsibility, and personal contributions to a greener planet. Understanding tree donations is crucial as it highlights a global effort to combat climate change. Trees play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, thus maintaining ecological balance. When individuals or organizations donate trees, they contribute to reforestation, biodiversity, and reducing the carbon footprint, which are significant steps in tackling environmental challenges. Let's look at some examples of how you can use this phrase in your conversations. 1. Our company has started a tree donations program to offset our carbon emissions. 2. For my birthday, I asked friends to make tree donations instead of giving gifts. 3. The City Council is encouraging tree donations to help expand urban green spaces. Tree donations are part of a larger movement towards environmental stewardship and sustainability. When discussing this topic, it's important to consider related terms like carbon footprint, reforestation, and sustainability. These concepts are interconnected and essential in understanding the full impact of tree donations. Thank you for joining us to learn about tree donations. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, every tree donation counts towards a greener and healthier planet. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.